Hey guys, Sunday here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are playing Beyond because my life is sad. I'm just trying. We're gonna play some Blox Hunt. I'm tired of playing Beyond right now. This thing will actually fucking load. Yeah, but anyway, today we're playing Blox Hunt and we're gonna see how it goes. What's that dude? It's a dude for the vine. I was gonna do it. And I know I haven't been on that much. That's just because I was too tired to upload anything really. For some reason I had the sudden urge to sleep and be a bum and to make videos for my fans. You guys, the people that support me through everything. So yeah, I'm gonna start the freaking game when it comes up. Boots. Anyway. Yeah. So right now we're just gonna wait because why not? 40X, I played this game before. Don't. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. When the thing finishes, top. What are we watching right now? The fuck? There we go, that's better. We're watching Hidance. Okay. I wonder, my brother, I wonder if they found him yet. I hope they not found him. 121. 120. Die. Okay. For 9, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Wait for one more. I haven't played this game in a minute. When was the last time I played this game? I'm trying to think. I know I recorded it on my channel. Somewhere. Oh. Jesus Christ. You never know. Who said that? God. Who's God? God is God. Can you see your God? No. Can you touch your God? No. And therefore, it does not exist. How did you know there was no God? I use my sense. Can you see your sense? No. Can you touch your sense? No. Your sense does not exist. Damn, yeah, that was something deep. We're seekers. Because my life sucks. I need to stop making jokes about my life. My life is good. Life is great. I got a lot on my plate. Need to handle it before the second date. Now it's time to find these mofos. Know what I mean? You dark. Come on, boy. Thought you was asleep, nigga. Hiding in the shadows, nigga. You fuck out of here, nigga. That dude put around. Yeah, nigga. Come back here, nigga. Bro, why does this dude keep running? Gotcha, bitch. Stop running. There we go. You walk. I'm sorry I'm so quiet. I just broke the silence. Are there supposed to be rocks every freaking where? Alright. Man. Fuck. No thanks. I'd rather die. Drinking black coffee. The bad person. Well, you motherfucker. I told you I wasn't a bad person. I swear. I swear. I said, do it wrong. I said, I won't gonna do it. You got time to rhyme. Yay. Wow. Position myself correctly. Wait. Bro, move, nigga. This bitch done try to give me a call, didn't she? Night Seekers, 2 minutes, 21 seconds. I'm scared. I'm more scared than Johnny on a hot summer chocolate fountain. Oh shit. Okay. I don't think we should have hit us boxes. See, you know what I mean? Huh, Wendy? Bitch, stand still. Okay. 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35. It's like they just gave up at this point. I want to play music, but I don't want to get copyright strike. So, yeah. Pretty much fucking scoop. I ain't gonna taunt him, but oh, hey. 4, 3, 2, 1 o'clock. Bro, I'm scared. So fucking scared. Why am I scared just again? Okay. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. You really trying to give me call? Bitch, if you don't stop fucking moving. This woman. No, you out. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, all that good. You know, gotta eat. Alright, anyway, see you guys. Bye.